Greetings and welcome back to Onesixtyfourland for another unboxing. It's been a while since I've done some unboxings. In fact, I have an entire stack of boxes just off camera here. So let's get to it. The most recent one from Hot Wheels here, I believe this is the latest Fast and Furious set. So this just arrived probably a couple days ago from Stop Diecast. That is where I get my Hot Wheels pre-orders from because, well, it's just more exciting to unbox them and, you know, maybe you'll get a chase. Now, I understand that there's no chases in the Fast and Furious set, but it is guaranteed to get things like this. So this is the latest amalgamation of character cars and character decos. So this is the Toyota Supra dressed up like the R34 Skyline. So pretty neat there, I guess. Anyway, so here's the second one of that, right? Full cases. Now, this is actually the reason why I ordered this case ahead of time, is for the 91 M5. There's an E34 M5, and it is very cool. Now, I happened upon the Fast and Furious in Walmart the other day. However, the only cars left were the Land Rover and the Chevelle, I'm sorry, the Nova and the Lamborghini here. So obviously the Supra and the M5 are going to be the one that is yoinked first from the peg. So I'm really happy that we have two of them. All right. So next up we have the 1970 Chevelle, Chevy Nova SS. Now this, I believe, is just a repeat. Maybe the wheels are different. I should have pulled the old one, but they did a great job. This is that lowered casting from, help me, Derek. Is it Modern Classics? Whatever the, oh no, you know what? It's not. I think this is a new casting. Anyway, we're going to move on because I'm not sure. Now, Derek, the individual I just shouted out, was Dumas RLC, right? He's a Hot Wheels guru. So all the Hot Wheels questions get funneled through him. So Land Rover Defender 110. Nice looking one. New deco for this. Pretty neat there. All right, let's go. Next up. Just put this to the side. And then, is this finally? Yes. Finally, we have the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 570-4 Superleggera, right? Super light here. So we have this one, looks a little jacked up in the front there, but the metallic paint is very cool. And looks like there's different shades of it too, as you can kind of see. So it looks, one's lighter, one's, I'm no David Tilley, but I think there's a perceptible shade here. Anyway, all right, so that is the latest Fast and Furious set from Hot Wheels Premium here. So we have Lamborghini, we have the Land Rover, we have the Nova, not a Chevelle, we have the Supra, and then my favorite, the E34 M5, right? The 1995 BMW M5. So thanks for viewing. We will see you in the next one. Ciao.